Welcome to Keep On Growing, where we teach you how to survive and thrive with off-grid hydroponics. Now, if you clicked on a button and you got over here and you're thinking about taking the course, let me explain what's in this and why you need it. Now, the first part of the course is about growing your own food, and it's teaching you the cheap and easy way to do what we call the continuous harvest. It takes plants from the microgreen, and it's going to teach you how to grow it, plant it into containers, and use what we call off-grid hydroponics. Basically like traditional hydroponics without all the fancy stuff, all the pumps and filters and having to deal with all of the EC and all the technobabble and everything that usually comes with traditional hydroponics. It's just a simple, easy way so that you can grow your own food and you don't have to spend a whole lot of time in your garden and you don't have to spend a whole lot of money on it. So we teach people how to do that, and then you're also going to learn how to do it over and over and over again and keep the cycle going so that you have what we call the continuous harvest. Now, the second part of it is raw footage, because we're also going to teach you how to thrive even during bad times in the economy. And that's just by sharing what you learn. Once you learn how to grow stuff like this in an easy way, there's loads of people out there that want to learn how to do this too, and they need to do it. You can fill that need just by sharing what you learn. What's inside of the course is raw footage. It's video that I've taken of my garden, of what I've been growing over the years. I have new content. I've got videos going back for 5 years, and I'm taking my content and I'm uploading it. So all of those videos that you see that there's no music or no narration or voiceovers, it just looks like, filming plants. That's all for y'all to use. And what you can do is hit the little download button at the top of the video and you download it on your computer, copyright free. You never have to worry about crediting me or anything. You just take it and use it as you will. Now, if you don't know how to do it, I've got another channel called Making Money Old School, and I'll put it right here, or once you get into the course, it'll be down below in a link. You'll be able to find it. But if you want to just go check it out right now, it's called Making Money Old School. And I just started that to help people like you take videos like that and make it into something you can post on a social media, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. And what you can do is put affiliate links. There's different ways that you can earn a revenue off of it. And what you want to do is just start posting stuff. If you start to grow things like this, we're going to teach you to shoot your own videos. Just get out there. If you don't want to be on the video like I am, you can just show your hands and you can just film it, teach people what you learn. You can take my footage, use it in conjunction with yours to make it even better and longer, which the platforms like you making longer videos. And you take that and share it with people, and then you earn an extra revenue stream off of it. So on that channel, Making Money Old School, what we do is teach you how to do that, how to set these things up, and then you can do something. You're going to be growing your own food. You're going to survive by being a little more sustainable, knowing where your food's coming from, and you're going to thrive because you're going to be sharing it with other people, and then you can feel good about it. So it's something you can do in conjunction with your job, just a little side hustle to make some extra money. And who knows, in a few years or something, you might get it growing to where you do it full time like me. So don't you think that's awesome to be able to make a little bit of money while you're helping other people too at the same time? So if you're interested in that, just click the button down below, sign up for the course. If you came from one of my videos where you have a discount, put the discount in at checkout. But once you're in there, once you buy that course, you're in for life. You can always come back and reference it if you have any questions about how to do any of this. All of the videos that are in there right now, you get to use, and I am uploading videos every single week, sometimes every single day, and putting new videos into that. I'm putting new videos onto the Making Money Old School, and they're all going to be copyright free, and it's stuff that you can use and you can grow channels just like I did. So all of this depends on how much work you want to put into it. But if you like helping other people and you want to make a little bit of money while you're doing it, this is the place for you. So click the button. I'll see you in there. We'll get you started right away. Oh, and one more thing, the online course that you take, you can sell either just the online course or the big package with all of the other content. If you sign other people up to that, you get 90% of it. So once you're in, you're automatically an affiliate, and anything that you sell, you get to keep 90%. All righty, we'll see you in there.